Come take a look at this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper, manual folding and extending, black, Victory Red, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, jet black, cloth seat trim, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tires, LT 265/70R17E all-terrain, black wall and a Z71 package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.